Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, or unrolling I should say, of the new Proof Whiskey Single Edge Razor. It used to come in a box like this. Now it comes in this handsome genuine leather travel case, which is what I mean by unrolling. Let's open it up and have a look. Here's a quick look at the Proof Whiskey Single Blade Razor. It used to come in a box like this, but now it comes in this handsome genuine leather travel case. Comes with 5 double-edged blades, a sticker, which the stand is attached to. Stand can be wall-mounted or laid flat. The Whiskey Razor. The razor is made from CNC machined aluminum for durability. On one side of the handle, Proof. On the other side, made in Montana. It has a pivoting head for comfort. The head is a flow-through design which prevents clogging. It's economical. It uses half of a double-edged razor blade. To install the blade, pull off the cap. You can see the 2 neodymium magnets that hold the blade in place. If your blade has hooks from snapping it, face the hooks downward. Slide the blade in place, just like that. The hooks drop into the recesses in the corners, so they're not a problem. Reinstall the top cap. You're ready to rock and roll with your shave. You can stick the stand to just about any clean surface, a mirror, medicine cabinet, tile wall. It holds the razor securely in place. Get yours at ShaveNation.com. Alright, I'm back. If you want to pick one of these up, just click down below the video where it says more or show more, or go to ShaveNation.com. Enter SN878 in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 700 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. I think I'll go put it to use right now. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.